What is up, guys? What better way to start the new year than with a giveaway? Yeah, guys, we have a kid skateboard here to give away. Courtesy of my friend. Thank you so much for the donation, and we're gonna give it to one lucky kid. And it is a beginner. I'd say maybe ages like anywhere from 3 to maybe 9 or 10. This will be perfect for you. It's got really nice patterns. It has some really nice positive words on it, front and back. And also, guys, let me just compare it to my board to show you the difference and why it is a kid's board. You all see any length difference? Why it is a child's board. It's a smaller board and it's not Canadian maple, it's probably plyboard, so that's why it's for a child. Right, to be eligible to win this board, all you have to do is answer 5 questions about our channel and us. So the first question is, how many videos do we have on YouTube? The second question is, which one of my knees are injured? And the third question is, what villa do we frequent the most? Fourth question, what is the biggest fish I ever caught? And the last question, the fifth one, what is the first video we ever posted on YouTube? The first person to answer all of those questions in that order will win this board. Okay, guys, so happy new year and may the luckiest contestant win. I never wanna hear you say Okay, guys, so coming from Blanchisseuse side, we just drove along here. You see this big clearing here, and you park here, and the trail is down here, this little part here. I guess you could use the umbrella as the umbrella and the rubbish as a marker. Yeah, I'm even gonna talk about that. And this is the trail. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Matt.
And I'm lOVIE.
And today we are heading to Sapphire Waterfall. We've just parked on the side of the road there and we're heading down this little bumpy trail. Simple trail. We have a little river crossing to do and I'm trying not to fall. Something that's gonna piss lOVIE off a bit that I didn't tell her is the hike starts with your foot getting wet. She always tries to not get the foot wet, guys. But I mean, we actually have to cross our river and go up that little dismal looking place in the corner there.
Well, where?
Somewhere there.
I don't know where you're going.
Right, we go figure it out, huh? Look how nice this river is here. Ooh, look at this nice little plant. There's another marker, flags, cross the river.
You can just bathe right here.
And we go up there, I believe. Yeah, you could bathe right there. Can't miss these flags. Now, guys, I go in by what I see online. I don't really know where we're going, but I think I've seen where we're supposed to go. Yeah, so we're going up in the corner there, right? And you could soak right here. inside of there. Yeah.
Oh.
I tell you, the trail doesn't look like a trail from what I saw online. Getting feet wet, guys. Woo, it's so cold. Oh, look at this right here. Should I wet myself early in the video, boy? What do you think?
Let's find the location.
Up inside of there.
Find where we're going. You sure?
Oh, is it up there? Let's go up there. Woo! Oh boy. Ah, that's slippery at all. Guys, where water pass normally is not slippery. It's where water does not pass. Wow, these beautiful white lilies marks the entrance of where we're going. There are plenty of debris and things for along. This is beautiful. First little obstacle here. We gotta get through this tree. Oh, this is so scary in here. This trail is sketchy. You're going high, I'll just go low. Love you asking if I'm short as the trail. Oh guys, I sure hope so. Oh my god. Lots of debris. Yeah, this is why you probably don't want to come here when it's raining. Because who knows how getting back out here is. God. It's probably the most sketchy trail so far, I think, that we've ever done on a hike. Sketchy! Lots of debris, lots and lots of debris. Yeah, it looks rather slippery. I don't think it's a large waterfall. I think it's right around that corner actually. We can hear it, guys. We can hear the falls. Yeah, you've got things to hold on to along the way. Oh, my knee. Oh, I just bumped my foot. Oh. Is it beautiful?
I like it. It's nice.
It's secluded. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm so upset the sun isn't out, but I mean, it still is gorgeous. Wow, guys, I love how this one is looking. You actually get to see the water cascading off a couple different rock features on the way down. That makes this waterfall a bit different, and why I really wanted to come here to see it, because it's just different how the water falls and cascades down the rocks. Look at it, how beautiful. Wow. That's gorgeous. Hey, cola. It's not that bad. Holy shit! This is cool! This is real cool! I thought she was exaggerating.
You good?
Yeah. Guys, I try not to swim with one hand and 2 feet. Not the best swimmer, but my swimming has gotten a lot better. Woo!
If you fall, then just push back.
Why is it so soon? Woo! Yep, I drank the water.
What?
I drank some of the water. It tastes good. Oh my god, this is beautiful, guys. Ooh. Hey guys, this hike was fairly easy. You just literally cross the river and then you follow it upstream until you reach this big, beautiful beast of a waterfall. Well, not big, but beautiful waterfall. Love how there's different levels of rocks coming down, which makes this waterfall a little different looking from the rest. And I guess they name it Sapphire for this type of blue looking color here. I guess if the sun comes out, you see it a little better. But I mean, it still is gorgeous. Oh, the sun is kind of out, but just not here. And we got the place to ourselves. Guys, this area here and water is so cold, my glasses are actually fogging up. That is crazy. I don't think that ever happened before at a waterfall. Oh, look at that now. A little bit of a landslide here too, so just something to look out for if you actually do come to this waterfall. Just keep your eyes peeled of this mountain here. By the way, guys, this hike is about, I'd say about 10 minutes. Plenty rubble to pass through to get here. And it's probably what, like you rated that 3 or 4 out of 10?
I would say this hike is like about a 4, mostly because all the rocks and debris I had to be crossing, kind of dangerous, I could slip.
Yeah. Hey guys, we heading out. It was lovely. Guys, we are back out by this beautiful pool here. We're gonna take a dip, yo. And this is at the beginning of the hike, if you guys didn't know. Yeah, lOVIE's gonna demonstrate how beautiful it is by getting in there, and then I'm gonna join her shortly. Wow. If anybody knows where down there leads, y'all could put that in the comments. Look how pristine and clear. Wow.
Sun is out here though.
Yeah, the sun is out here. Inside there was too covered in the bush. We couldn't get much sun.
Ready?
Yeah. They're so deep. Wow. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at how clear. Shit. Oh, it's so refreshing. Yeah.
We could come back here with some bears and things.
Yeah, right here. Just chill right here. Could do a mountain bike ride. Woo. So beautiful. Oh, you swim all the way over there? Watch out for that bamboo. Oh boy. Oh, that is so clear. I wish I could say this is untouched, but guys, the road is literally right there. If you don't want to do the trek any bush up the river, guys, you can just chill out right here, especially if you have kiddies and you need to keep a close eye on them. Okay guys, so we came to the close of this video. Please like, share, subscribe.
Click the bell to be notified for more videos in the future.
And as always,
Stay safe.
And stay adventurous.